Welcome to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. Today we are in the beautiful Algarve on the golf resort Penina. Penina Hotel and Golf is a luxury internationally recognized resort situated between Alvor and Portimão, just minutes away from the beach, about 10 minutes to the Portimão center, close to all amenities, shopping, international school, restaurants, you name it. This resort offers green surroundings and modern luxury living. And without further ado, let me show you this property. This villa has been built in 1976, but it has been completely renovated since, and today it presents this beautiful 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom villa. The property consists of the main villa and the guest house, and with a total area of 250 square meters on a huge plot of 2,860 square meters. The villa is split over 2 levels, with the 3 en-suites on the main level, spacious living and dining with a cozy fireplace, and the modern kitchen with high-end appliances. All this main floor is leading to this outdoor space with a beautiful barbecue area and the heated swimming pool, enjoying this green surrounding and green floor oasis. Level offers this royal main ensuite leading into the huge terrace overlooking the Gulf and a beautiful green floral garden. Just steps from the villa there is a small guest house, could be a guest house, could be an office. It's completed with luxury finishes. It has its own kitchenette and the bathroom. And some other features of the villa include solar panels, carport, automatic irrigation, and so much more you can check in the feature list. This entire property offers authentic living and a modern luxury living. Thank you for taking this video tour with us. If you like this property as much as we do, please give us a shout on the phone and we will present it to you. Please take more information from the link below, like, subscribe. This has been Cheers from the Algarve and see you on the next tour.